Unveiling the age of the Vedas. Ancient wisdom transcending time. The Vedas, considered the oldest religious texts in the world, hold a revered position in Hinduism. While assigning a precise date to their composition is challenging, their antiquity is unquestionable. This article delves into the age of the Vedas, exploring the beliefs surrounding their eternal nature, archaeological evidence, and references within the Vedic hymns themselves. Eternal wisdom and Anadi tradition. Hindus perceive the Vedas as eternal and beyond the constraints of time. They regard the Vedas as Anadi, without beginning, and Nitya, everlasting. According to Hindu belief, the Vedas manifest themselves after each pralaya, deluge, symbolizing their timeless and eternal nature. This perspective highlights the spiritual essence of the Vedas rather than focusing on their historical dating. The Rig Veda, a glimpse into the past. Among the four Vedas, the Rig Veda is considered the oldest. Its origins can be traced back to a period estimated to be around 7,000 years ago. However, it is important to note that the Vedas existed orally long before they were transcribed into written form. Originally, the knowledge of the Vedas was preserved and transmitted orally by the ancient seers, ensuring their preservation over generations. The Saraswati River connection. References to the Saraswati River within the Vedic hymns provide valuable insights into the possible age of the Vedas. Archaeological research indicates that the Saraswati River, mentioned prominently in the Vedic texts, dried up and disappeared around 5000 BC in North India. Considering this evidence, it is plausible to suggest that the Vedas are at least 7,000 years old, as they reference the flowing Saraswati River. Extract from the Rig Veda. A verse from the Rig Veda, Book 3, Hymn 23:4, mentions the rivers Drasadvati and Saraswati, confirming the existence of the Saraswati River during the time of the hymn's composition. This excerpt serves as a significant piece of evidence supporting the ancient origins of the Vedas. Conclusion. While assigning a precise age to the Vedas presents challenges, their antiquity is undeniable. Rooted in the belief of their eternal nature, Hindus consider the Vedas as timeless reservoirs of wisdom. The Rig Veda, believed to be the oldest Veda, provides a glimpse into the distant past. References to the flowing Saraswati River within the Vedic hymns and its subsequent archaeological disappearance around 5000 BC suggest that the Vedas may be at least 7,000 years old. The age of the Vedas carries profound significance, highlighting their enduring relevance and the timeless spiritual wisdom they encapsulate.